grade and introduce yourself, my father.
I'm DY, Dad.
And today, this might be a quick video, but today we're gonna, in this tiny backpack that I don't bring to school, it has lots of squishies. First, we're gonna look at the paper made ones that I made a long time ago with my dad. But this one is only from a long time ago.
Which one did we make?
Today we made these. This one's mine and this one's my dad. He made 49th one and look, they say Nido. But is this?
Needles.
Yeah, Nidos. And they actually squish. Like how they stay in place. We're going to the next one. By the way, we made these today. Did I just say that? I don't know. And we made this one from a long time ago. I really wanted the butter squishy, so here we have it. I kind of did the words big, but that's okay. It fell. I like how it does all of it. And I did not realize this, but I actually had needles when I at the store. There was like needles, and I begged my mom that I could have them, but I didn't know they were needles. And somehow I knew that needles got viral, and then, well, I think some needles, but I don't know. But and then I was like playing with these, and then I was like, oh, these are needles. I did not realize that. And like, it even says needle right here. You might not see it, but it says it. And they say to all of them.
Which needles do you have?
These are. This one's broken.
Hi, my name is. Hi, my name is. Hi, my name is. Needle.
Okay. Wait, and this one's broken, but I made a hole today. I think today when I was playing it. No, it's actually and I made this hole on accident. Also, this has less of things. And they sound so good. Listen. Shh. They sound so good. And let me... It kind of makes sense that these are needles. Wait. And this one doesn't make a sound because this one's broken and it only has a hole. Actually, it does make a sound. Okay. And then I got these dumplings today. But the package, but I only got 3 because I wanted to, and I had enough money, and someone gave me these 2. Like, wait, who gave?
I don't know who gave those.
Oh, well, it doesn't matter. And I bought this one, and I hope one of them is at least a glitter dumpling. And these are all small, even though this one looks big, like me, my sides. But
open them up. Show them.
I'm gonna open. Wait, is this yellow and is this blue? Let me guess. This one is a blue. What's blue? Wait, how come it has no face on it? Wait, I need to grab it. How come this one has no face on it? Sounds nice though. Oh, not sound, but it feels nice. And then I think this is a yellow one. Oh, it is. Does this also one have a no face? No flowers, no face. I hope this next one is a glitter dumpling. And 3, 2, 1. It's a blue glitter dumpling! Oh my! And look at his face, it's so cute. Hello, my name's Glitter Dumpling. feels so nice. I can't believe that I actually got a glitter dumpling.
Is that all of them?
Oh yeah, and that's all of them.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe if you like me showing all of my squishies. Well, I have more, but maybe in the next video I might show more. But they're not exactly squishies. But bye. Say bye.
We'll make some more and
Yeah.
post them.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Like and subscribe. Bye. We hope you liked it. Bye.
Adios.